Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and this one is going to be about a 2009 Nissan Murano. We are replacing the seal on this cover right here, the front cover. So we're going to be replacing the seal, and the way to start is you're going to be unplugging all the coils, the three of them. Take these three screws off, 10 millimeter, remove all the coils. Okay, and then we got screws on the cover, which is one right here. There's two right there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You got 10 of them. You have to remove 10 millimeter. And then after that, you're gonna have to unplug this hose right here and unscrew that screw. You have room to push this. Also right there. Move that because we got a lip on the cover. It's gonna be stuck over here. And if you want to remove this plastic, you can. We'll give you more room, but you're gonna have to unscrew this right here, 10 millimeter, and unplug your sensor. Just push on the tab right there, pull up, and you might have to unplug these right here so you don't put any tension on them, because you're gonna be pulling on this hose right here. You're also gonna unplug that right there, remove these screws, take that off right there, pull it to the side, and just be gently on the cover when you remove it. You don't break anything or you don't drop anything on the inside, and that's how you're gonna remove it. That's it, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, and this is how it's gonna look like after you remove your cover. And again, this is for the front cover for the 3 cylinders in the front. This is how it's going to look like. And you have to clean after you remove the cover. You have to clean around the cover real good. You can use a razor blade, sandpaper, and make sure you don't drop anything in the middle. Keep this clean. Put something in the middle, wipe it off, and then now we're gonna go ahead and put some silicone in the corners and put the seal back. We'll go from there. All right. I'm gonna give you help here to put this cover back on. You gotta remove these 2 screws right here. That way you can pull this up. You also need to move this screw that was holding this bar right here, bracket. Okay. And push everything back, because that lip right there on the cover, it's gonna be blocking you. But if you can take this plastic off too, that will help too. But I didn't take it, so then remove it. So you just put the cover back. As you can see, you gotta make sure you don't drop anything inside. And then after you put your screws, place them, all of them, you're gonna tighten this one, following that one right there, and that, and this, and the middle one, and that one, this, that, this one, and this one over here. You're gonna follow that until you get it all tight. And after that, you're gonna put your sensor back on and put all screws back on like they were, and install your coils. Should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're done with the cover. As you can see, we put our coils back, plugged everything back. And this is how it's supposed to look like at the end. Make sure you don't forget any plug or anything like that. and you're good to go. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please give me that thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Alright, I'll see you in another video. Alright guys, this is how it's gonna look like. This is your cover right here, front cover. So it's gonna look like that. Make sure it's all the way down. I mean, try to push all the way around. Make sure it's in there. And this lip right here goes down, so the flat spot should be on the top. Yeah, make sure it's clean. Clean your cover like I did. You can use a part cleaner, and don't forget that little seal right there. Make sure you put that in there. So it's gonna look like this. Now all I gotta do is just go ahead and put some silicone in there in the corners, and then we'll just put our cover back on.